Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how to get rid of subtitles in your Tubi TV. So guys, if you're trying to get rid of the subtitles because you don't need them, then this video is for you. So guys, the first step is to be in the Tubi TV website, and once you're here, just open any movie. As you can see, I've already opened it, and now right below you can see the options of play, rewind, forward, the sound button, the subtitles, video quality, and many more. So you can find the subtitles right here. Just go ahead and tap there, and once you're here now, you'll see the option of advanced settings, English, and off. So once you turn off over here, so once you tap there, you'll notice that the subtitles are gone. So guys, there you go. That's how you get rid of subtitles on Tubi. Hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.